24 to 26. It sounds difficult, but it's going to be easy. The good news is questions and answers are in order. And again, I'm telling you, you should know where they are in order and where they are not in order. Okay? So, questions 24 to 26. What you have to do? They call it complete each sentence with the correct ending. It is called sentence completion with correct ending. We have 3 questions. These questions are half sentences. And then we have 5 options. These 5 options are the second half of the sentence. Now how to do it? Read the question, find the clue word, look for that clue word in the passage, right? And then read complete information about that very thing and come back and match it. कैसे होगा? अभी बताता हूँ, ठीक है? या घबराना नहीं है, like just मुन्ना भाई MBBS. Even in troublesome situation, there should be smile on face. क्या हुआ है? सर में दर्द हो रहा है, हाँ? But you are happy. 24. Audience's response to different parts of a film can be controlled. Audience's response in different parts of the film can be controlled. Now let's go back and we see where do they mention audience's response and all that. Okay, first paragraph please. First paragraph from the middle. The entire soundtrack audience's response to different parts of film can be controlled. We see how do they control it? Controlled by what? So first paragraph from the middle, the entire soundtrack consists of 3 essential ingredients. Right? Soundtrack consists of 3 essential ingredients: human voice, sound effects, and music. These 3 tracks must be mixed and balanced so as to produce the necessary emphasis, which in turn create desired effects. So what are the 3 things? Voice, sound effects, and music. Now go back and see. Exactly. Huh? मास थल्ले करके 10. हाँ सही है, फायदा उठाते रहो. व्हाट इज द आंसर? जो सर ने बोल दिया, बाद में सर मैंने भी यही कहा था, सी भी बनता है, डी भी बनता है, ई भी बनता है. ऑलराइट, सो द राइट आंसर इज द राइट आंसर इज सी. Okay, now please cross C from there. Voice, sound and music are combined appropriately. Question number 25. Now questions and answers are in order and they're mostly grouped together as well, but sometimes in different paragraphs. Feelings and motivations of characters become clear. How? Feelings and motivation of characters become clear. Second paragraph. Let's read it. Let's start with dialogue. As is a case with stage drama, dialogue serves to tell the story and express feelings and motivation of character as well. So actually, dialogues do that. Exactly, huh? Sir, मैंने C कहा था. No, you'll be double confused. If you read the options first and then question, you'll be double confused. I tell you, options are 5, they are not in order, and questions are only 3. So first you read the question, find the clue word, find the information in the passage about it, then you come to that, then it will be fine. So for question number 25, feelings and motivations of character become clear when the audiences listen to the dialogues. A is the right answer. Cross A also. And one option will be used only once. Question number 26. Character seems to be a real person rather than an actor. Character seems to be a real person rather than an actor. Third paragraph. When voice textures fit the performer's physiognomy, and gestures, a whole and very realistic persona emerges. The viewer sees not an actor working at his craft, but another human. That is what we call character. Okay, and how does it happen? When the voice textures fix the performer's physiognomy and gesture, a whole and very realistic person emerges. The viewer sees not an actor. When you're watching a movie of Shah Rukh Khan, you're not watching Shah Rukh Khan, you're watching Raj. Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Raj. He's not Shah Rukh Khan, he's Raj there. He fits into that thing, okay? Sees not an actor working at his craft, but another human being struggling with life. Now match something with it. E. When the actor's appearance, voice and moves are consistent with each other. Absolutely. Okay.